Hey, I'm Victor. Want to learn about the fun holidays on May 3rd? Whether you want to hang out with friends or relax on your own, there's something for everyone. Plus, a big shout out to all those who have a birthday or other special celebrations on this special day. National Garden Meditation Day. National Garden Meditation Day is observed on May 3rd every year. This day encourages people to take a break from their busy lives and spend some time meditating in a garden or any other natural environment. It is believed that the soothing sounds of nature can help in reducing stress and anxiety levels, and also promote mental and physical well-being. To celebrate National Garden Meditation Day, you can find a peaceful garden or park in your area and spend some time meditating or simply enjoying the beauty of nature. You can also create your own garden or indoor plant sanctuary for meditation purposes. The key is to find a quiet and serene environment to disconnect from the chaos of the world and connect with your inner self. World Press Freedom Day. World Press Freedom Day is celebrated annually on May 3rd to promote and raise awareness about the freedom of the press. It is a day to celebrate the fundamental principles of press freedom, assess the state of press freedom throughout the world, defend the media from attacks on their independence, and to pay tribute to journalists who have lost their lives while carrying out their duty. This day was declared by the United Nations General Assembly in 1993 to remind governments about their duty to respect and uphold the right to freedom of expression as enshrined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It is an opportunity to highlight the importance of a free and independent press in a democratic society and to support the efforts of journalists in their mission to uncover the truth and hold those in power accountable. National Paranormal Day. National Paranormal Day is observed annually on May 3rd. It is a day to celebrate and explore the unexplained and mysterious aspects of our world, including ghosts, UFOs, cryptids, psychic phenomena, and other supernatural occurrences. The day encourages believers and skeptics alike to share their experiences, stories, and interests in the paranormal. People around the world engage in various activities on National Paranormal Day, such as visiting haunted locations, watching paranormal-themed movies and TV shows, reading books on paranormal topics, or participating in paranormal investigations. International Wild Koala Day. International Wild Koala Day is celebrated annually on May 3rd. The day is dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of conserving and protecting wild koalas and their natural habitats in Australia. Koalas are beloved native animals in Australia, but they face numerous challenges, such as habitat loss, climate change, disease, and the devastating impact of bushfires. On International Wild Koala Day, various events, activities, and educational programs are organized to spread the word about the significance of koalas and the need for their conservation. People are encouraged to participate in tree planting initiatives, attend talks and workshops, visit local wildlife sanctuaries, and support koala conservation organizations. National Chocolate Custard Day. National Chocolate Custard Day is celebrated annually on May 3rd. This day is dedicated to appreciating and indulging in the creamy, delicious dessert made from a mixture of milk or cream, sugar, chocolate, and egg yolks. Chocolate custard can be enjoyed on its own or used as a filling in various pastries, pies, and cakes. On National Chocolate Custard Day, people are encouraged to indulge in this sweet treat, either by making it at home or purchasing it from a local bakery or dessert shop. Many bakeries and dessert shops may offer special deals or promotions on chocolate custard to mark the occasion. Sunday. Sunday is an environmental event that was first celebrated on May 3, 1978, in the United States. It was established by U.S. President Jimmy Carter as a way to promote awareness about the potential of solar power as a renewable energy source and to encourage the development of solar technologies. The day was marked by various activities and events across the country, including educational programs, workshops, and demonstrations of solar-powered devices. Although Sunday is not widely celebrated as an annual event today, its original message remains relevant. Solar power has become an increasingly important renewable energy source in the fight against climate change and the search for sustainable solutions to meet global energy demands. People around the world continue to promote and advocate for the use of solar energy and other renewable sources in order to reduce dependence on fossil fuels and to protect the environment for future generations. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.